See these two broccoli? They look pretty much the same, don't they? But they're not. The difference is that this one is organic and this one is not. Commercially grown and organically grown. I'm going to cut these in half and give it to the worms and see what they think. First of all, I'm going to get some worms from my worm farm. There we go. See. Like that. Like that. And look what happened. That's the organic one on the right, and the non-organic one from the supermarket is on the left. They don't seem to be interested in the non-organic one. They'll eat all the organic one before they even start on the non-organic one. Then I went to the markets and I bought an organic cauliflower and went into the supermarket and bought a non-organic cauliflower. We've got the organic one on the right and the non-organic one on the left, the big white one. And I just put them on the bench this time and put my time-lapse camera on them and see how the non-organic one gets eaten by the fungus. It gets dissolved before even the other one starts to lose its shape. Interesting, isn't it? Very interesting.